Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. My crafting idea for today is to make some bows. I will be using some decorative mesh and my supplies are all from Dollar Tree. I have this floral garden mesh. It is a teal color, and from Crafter Squares I have the pink, the yellow, the lavender, and from Crafter Square Easter section I also have this Happy Easter ribbon. It is a brown canvas and it does have the Happy Easter print. It has flowers and some bunnies on there. I would like to use my Easter ribbon, and I want to create my bows, well, you know, the puffy effect, and I want to add my mesh, and I want to put the mesh behind like the puffs. So I want it kind of like let's see, let me unroll this some more. I want it to look like this. I think that'll look cute, right? I hope it will. I don't know. I'm gonna try it with the 6-inch. If it's too much, then I maybe if I can if I trim down the mesh, that might work too. So let me try this. So this is a flocked mesh. When they roll it up, they put the flocking underneath, see? So it's got to flip it over. And I'm not sure how this is going to work out. So I'm thinking that if I keep the 6-inch, you know, width, it'll work better in my favor. And I want to make this, measure it out to 6 inches. Like that. And then I'm going to twist this so I can get my flocking back on the outside. And I'm just going to fiddle with it so I can get the sleek out. And let me move that to about 6 inches on the side. There we go. Yeah. And then turn, twist. I think I want to do, because if I do 3 on each side, I think that'll be plenty. So I have 3 loops on each side, and like I said, I think that'll be plenty. So if I even spread this out, see there, I think that'll be plenty. And I'm gonna go ahead and just trim this off, and then let's try this. I'm going to take my Easter ribbon. So your script, make sure your script is facing the way you want it to go. And then on my Easter ribbon, I want to go about 5 inches. Because see, I want my the mesh to stick out on the back side. Even if we go like 5.5, we'll still, I think it'll still see the mesh in the back. And then I twist that and then come back. Oh, you know what? I'm going to have a little issue here. See how my Easter ribbon is, oh, this is what happens when you use one directional ribbon. But I think it'll be okay. I'm just creating a bow for my lantern, so I'll be fine with it. Now, if you're not comfortable with that, then you'll probably have to trim your ribbon down so all your text is all facing the same direction. Well, you know what I mean? Like facing, to me it would be facing me. I'm gonna pull this off and tie it down. Let's see. I got my chenille stems here. I just happen to have coordinating chenille stems. I bought a bunch of chenille stems from the thrift store once. You know, when people don't want their chenille stems anymore, or they get rid of the colors that they don't need, I take advantage of that. So let's see, let me move this, and let's see if we can fluff this one now. Look at that. I think I like this. I was a little hesitant. This wasn't going to work too well, but look at this. How cute. And then look at that. How cute is that? I'm happy with it. Now I have some more of my mesh here. I want to, let me see how much I have left on here. I want to use this part to have, you know, the tails of my bow. I have 32 inches left from my roll of mesh, and let me tuck this in here, and I'm just gonna make sure my flocking is on top. Tuck that in there. How cute. I like this. I like the way it turned out. Oops. I squished my bow down. Let me refluff. And I'm going to put these bows on my lantern. How adorable. Look at that. Cute. And then I'm going to fold this in half and give it a dovetail. And the same thing with this side. Look at that. How cute, right? I love it. I'm happy it turned out really cute. And even though the mesh itself is very light, it still works really well. I'm very happy with it. Okay, now on to the next color. I think I will do the lavender color next. Yep. Okay, so we put that aside and then start on the lavender one. This is fun, right? I hope you guys give this a try. Look at this. Just cute. I love it. Very, very cute. Well, I hope that you guys all like this idea. I really like the way the mesh turned out on my bow. I was a little afraid you won't be able to see all that mesh, but I like it. I'm very, very happy with this. I would like to create another bow, and this time I want to do like half the pom-pom. You get like give it kind of like the pom-pom effect, but only half the sphere. I need to cut these, and I want to make a multicolor bow. So let me trim all my mesh down to 10 inches, and I'm using again the lavender, I'm using the yellow, I'm going to use the teal, and I'm going to use my pink ones. So let me do that. I have created a stack. Look at that. I cut down the whole roll of my 4 colors, the pink, the blue, the yellow, and the lavender. I'm going to see how many bows I can make out of this. It'll be fun, right? Get the yellow one in there. I'm going to mesh my colors. Okay, here we go. It's easier to see it on the white. Okay. I have 8 stacks here. I have 2 of each color, but I alternated it. See? Now, let's find out. Let's see how well I did. Maybe one more color. So I did the bottom 3 rows and leave it at 10 inches, and then go with an inch shorter the next row up. So this is what it looks like when you double layer. I should go ahead and give the other one a try, right? See how that one will look. I actually like it. I like the colors. But I want to try my original plan. Okay, let me put my Chanel stem in here. A stack of 2s. Maybe I should separate my pink and my blue. Let's do it this way. Well, you know, sometimes you do have to experiment, right? But this is fun though. Let's see. There we go. Okay, let's find out. Oh, I pulled it off without the Chanel stuff. Okay. Alright, squish it. Oh, you know what? I have it the wrong way. This way. Tighten it and turn. Okay, let's see. Well, you know what? I actually like this too. I like the way it turned out. See that? How cute. So let me separate these and see what it looks like that. These look, it's even better. Oh, this would look really cute on a package, wouldn't it? Like if you're giving out like a gift packages for Easter. You can do it for Christmas. You can do it for Thanksgiving. Like, oh, like, you know, like a little party favors. Look at this. How cute. I like it. So, and then this one. Let me do the same too. I'm going to separate these. Again, I do like the way it looks when you have, you know, 2 layers of the same color. How pretty. So compare the two, right? Look at that. Nice. I like both of them. Really cute. They're very pretty. I love them. Well, sorry, I can't get it all in the screen, but I'm trying. Very cute. I think I'll just do 3 for now. Very cute. I like them. They turned out really well. I'm quite happy with them. I hope that I was able to give you a few ideas today when using sheer decorative mesh to make bows. I think these turned out really well, and I hope you guys like them and that you give them a try. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.